Hi Libra, welcome to my channel Lemurian Celtic Tarot. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I'm doomed to be your tarot card reading for the upcoming month. This is a timeless reading. From whenever you are watching this till the next 30 days, it will work for you. So let's begin the reading. And keep in mind that this is a general reading, so take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For your cards, here are Five of Pentacles in the bottom of the deck, then Six of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, Ten of Wands, Five of Swords, Six of Pentacles, the Justice, Eight of Swords, and then the Emperor. I am saying that in the past, you got to know something, any kind of information about something or someone that became the reason for endings in your relation with that person. You took action quite fast afterwards and you moved on in your life without even looking back into the past. You wanted a relation where you could get true love, where you could communicate with your person openly without any hesitation. Your desire was to have an honest relationship. As I am seeing in your cards, there was dishonesty and disloyalty in your past relation. And that was the reason you broke up with that person. So let's come to the point. You wanted a relation where both persons stay open to balance and nurture the relation, where you don't have to put efforts all alone. And at the same time, you wanted to remain independent without any restriction. Means you wanted a loyal partner, your true love, but you wasn't ready to commit her or him. You wanted your freedom also. Meanwhile, any older person of your family or in your family asks you to marry a person, you got furious and started to spend your time in bad activities. You are not mentally stable right that moment, but you couldn't figure out why. You couldn't do anything as you were depending on the circumstances, and you got engaged to that person. Your life became stagnant afterwards. But on the inside, you are quite passionate about something, you wanted to pursue that thing in your life. You are not seeing anything clearly that what's ahead of you. You just wanted to do that. You discussed that matter with your friends, but they discouraged you to do that and left you alone. And it is possible that you had faced any kind of financial loss also in your workplace. Right now, you are feeling left out in a cold. You are feeling some kind of loss emotionally. And for the upcoming month, your focus will be on planning for a better future of your life. For upcoming month, your focus will be on planning for a better future of yours. As you excel your skills also in your career, and you will be receiving any kind of love offer in the upcoming month also, or you will be ready to give this offer to anyone. This might be possible here with the Knight of Cups. Okay, uh, and this could be love proposal or marriage proposal also, but universe is saying you to increase your confidence and willpower, and don't take any kind of stress. Take adequate sleep, regulate your routine, and don't accept extra burden for your work, as I'm seeing that you have a hard time to say no to anything which bothers you. And you will be needing to work on this attitude in the upcoming month, so that you don't have to caught up in the excessive responsibilities in your life. Work on your confidence. Don't sit helplessly by feeling sadness and loss. Get up and work for your dreams, but take that number of responsibilities you could easily fulfill. Okay? God is saying you to accept the mistakes that you made in the past and loss that you have faced in your life, you had in your past. It might possible that you could lose something through your own fault. So avoid negative people in your life so that your mind will not get caught up in any kind of confusion. You should remain alert in the upcoming month to avoid occurrence of any kind of theft activity. I'm seeing here with the Five of Swords card. Okay, so stay conscious, guard your documents. It is possible that someone from your circle could steal it from you. So don't trust anyone and read all the cards before you play. Means stay careful earlier so that you will not have to worry later. And stay secretive in all the matters related to your professional and personal life. As I'm seeing in your cards that you discuss a lot of things with your colleagues or friends, whatever is in your circle. It might create some problems for you, so stay alert and keep your plans to yourself and withdraw yourself from any kind of bad habit which is disturbing your life. Concentrate on your life without losing your sleep. With all of this, one thing is really positive here, and that is you will free yourself from toxic and two-faced enemies and people in your life in the upcoming month. But one thing might upset you, and that is you will not get support from the people around you in your circle or in your family. And you have solution of this problem within yourself with the Justice card. This is your intellect and quality of fair give and take rule. So use that and treat people equally. If they do good, be good to them. If they do wrong or backstab you, just free yourself from them. But you will be needing clarity in your mind to do that. Most of the times you get confused in yourselves and don't take decisions at all. First thing you will be needing to see clearly. Don't trust blindly to anyone. Is clear your mind from all the confusion. Libras, you appeared in your reading means you are in your power right now. You are quite smart and intellectual. So don't get confusion paralyze your mind at all. Universe is saying you to be assertive. Take back control of your life. Don't tell others your plans, but execute those plans in reality by yourself. All you need is confidence here, and clarity is in your mind, which you have ruined by taking multiple opinions in your life. So trust yourself and trust God that if he could bless you with the sharp mind and intellect, then he also blessed you the authority and complete control to act upon through it. Act upon through your own intellect. When you take multiple opinions and validation from other regarding anything in your life, it makes your own mind cloudy. Let me summarize this. Universe is saying you to stay calm. Don't get overburdened by responsibilities in the upcoming month. Take adequate sleep. Avoid staying awake at night. Avoid interact with negative people. Don't trust anyone blindly. Accept your mistakes and learn from it so that you don't repeat them. Stay in your power. People who don't support you or discourage you, taste them their medicine. Your life will be needing equal give and take and no BS, okay? And clear your mind from all the conflicts and confusion. Think outside the box, but act with proper planning, but don't share your secrets to others. And with the Emperor card here, this is saying you to take back control of your life. Universe is saying you to be like an emperor who knows what he or she is doing and takes decisions of life freely without asking anyone. So don't get confusion paralyze your mind at all. Universe is saying you to be assertive. Take back control of your life. Don't tell others your plans, but execute those plans in reality by yourself. All you need is confidence here, and clarity is in your mind, which you are which you have ruined by taking multiple opinions in your life. So trust yourself and trust God that if he could bless you with the sharp mind and intellect, then he also blessed you the authority and complete control to act upon through your own intellect. When you take multiple opinions and validation from other regarding anything in your life, it makes your own mind cloudy. Let me summarize this. Universe is saying you to stay calm, don't get overburdened by responsibilities in the upcoming month. Take adequate sleep, avoid staying awake at night, avoid interact with negative people. Don't trust anyone blindly. Accept your mistakes and learn from it so that you don't repeat them. Stay in your power. People who don't support you or discourage you, taste them their medicine. Your life will be needing equal give and take and no BS, okay? And clear your mind from all the conflicts and confusion. Think outside the box, but act with proper planning, but don't share your secrets to others. And with the Emperor card here, this is saying you to take back control of your life. Universe is saying you to be like an emperor who knows what he or she is doing and takes decisions of life freely without asking anyone. Keep in mind that this is not a gender specific reading, so take it according to your situation. Okay, if you are a feminine watching this, then universe is saying you to be an empress. Got it? Because you have all the ability to as you have all the ability to accomplish all your dreams and desires, all your goals. You just need to be more confident and honest within yourselves so that you could honor yourself by not entertaining the people who don't deserve you. Notice the cards, then check their placements in your reading here. Injustice card Justice card, the lady is looking upward and her focus is on the cards which are Knight of Cups and Ten of Wands. This represents that you will be needing to clearly decide where you consume your efforts and energies into. Because if you tolerate negativity in your life, then your cup of love will remain empty. So clearly decide what you want and invest your energy there wisely and be fair with yourself so that you could say no to unwanted things in your life. And if we could see the Emperor card, this is right below the Five of Swords card here, representing that don't waste your time to cry over spilled milk. Be confident and take stand for yourself. Don't let others decide the direction of your life. It will never lead you to your destination. You need to define your rules relating to your life, then decide your direction and pursue it. So, the only barrier for you to use your intellect and to be an emperor of your life is your confusion that is created by yourself, by your mind. Although outer influences and different opinions of people played a lot of role in it, but you have the solution for all of your problems within yourself. All the Libras out there, Sun, Moon, Rising, you will be needing to work on fulfilling your wishes and dreams patiently, okay, in the upcoming month. And for numbers that appeared in your reading are 5, 7, 10, and 11. With the Justice card, 11, 8, 6, 5. I repeated 5 because there is 5 of Pentacles in the bottom of the deck and 5 of Swords also. And some important numbers might be These were the numbers in your reading, but important numbers for the Libras out there might be 3, 1, 10, triple 11, 0, 14, 5, 6, 8, double 5, and 11. I uh, triple 11, 14, double 5, and 11. I saw this while doing your reading. Okay, and for Libra's colors are silver, black, red, wine, and wine red color like burgundy. Okay, green, teal, yellow, brown, blue, fuchsia, and light purple and blue. And the signs are in your reading is with the Emperor card Aries, and with the Justice card Libra is here. But all the earth signs Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and all the fire signs Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius are here. And with the Knight of Cups, water signs are also here, which are Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. But with the I don't know why I get Taurus and Gemini. Taurus, Gemini, and Capricorn. Maybe these signs are important for you, or these signs might be important for you in the upcoming month. So, spend time in nature in morning. Practice yoga, inhale and exhale properly. Drink enough water to hydrate yourself, and memorize all the accomplishments to attain courage to add more accomplishments into your life. Okay, and the next thing is read historical books and blogs of any verified author. Cause don't jump into collectives, means only read specific people, means only read specific people's stories or authors, because your mind already has millions of blogs right now. When you'll read some specific books, it will boost up your intellect to make better strategies to keep your life on track. Okay, important months for you might be January, February, April, May, June, August, and November. So this was a reading for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising out there. I hope this was helpful for you. If it does, then like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel, so that you will get the upcoming videos on time. Okay, so keep achieving your goals, stay happy, stay calm in your life, and have a good day ahead.